Hello everyone. Hello. Assalamualaikum. My name is Teech. I'm Airil Haimi, and this is my more informative speech. Sounds very exciting, but it's not. It's just a practice. But this is just a test of my informative speech skills. So let's begin. The topic that I've chosen is, because I'm wearing something, sweatshirt, the importance of exercising. Even though I don't exercise, I like to share with you the importance of exercising. Do you exercise? Do you like to exercise? Do you exercise regularly? You don't? Haha! Then you must listen to my presentation. Exercising is actually a very important routine that we must begin in our life. If you haven't exercised before, it's time to start. I used to exercise quite a lot. I used to go to the gym when I was doing my PhD. But now, once I start working and I feel very tired after I come back from work, I don't exercise anymore. Oh, but I do play badminton with my friends, with my campus friends, but only when there's no MCO. When there's MCO, you can't. Well, a quote. According to Carl Lewis, used to be one of the fastest person in the world. He ran during the Olympics. According to him, you must exercise not just to keep fit, but to keep your mind clear. What does that mean? It means when you exercise, your mind becomes clear. You can focus very easily, and you can do anything that you want in a very, very hyperactive, very cool, very focused, very targeted manner. It means whatever task you are given, zoom, you definitely can do it. So that's my first point. Second point, actually I have to present only one point, but I present another one, please. Teach. The second reason why you need to exercise is, of course, it's not just for your brain, it's for your heart. For your heart, for your muscles, for your whole body. Okay? Not just your brain. Not just up here, but everywhere. Down here. Heart, very important. Like me, I'm an old man. I need to keep my heart strong. So you need to exercise to make sure that your heart stays strong and you can become healthy. Do you know why? Statistics from the World Health Organization says the more you exercise, you are more than 10 times protected, 10 times more protected than people who don't exercise in terms of getting ailments and sickness. For example, you are protected against flu, coughing, miserable. If you get flu quite a lot, maybe it means you need to exercise more so that you can build your antibody. And this is not just me talking, that's the WHO talking here. WHO, World Health Organization. So you don't listen to me, listen to the World Health Organization. So that's the statistic and the quote and the proof. Remember 2 points. Helps your mind to focus. Zeus. Also, it helps your body to stay young and healthy. 2 good reasons. So, to conclude, what are you waiting for? Come on, man. Let's exercise. If you are free, call me up. Hit me up. We'll play badminton together. Alright? Or actually, I prefer something more brutal. well, not really brutal, but I actually prefer adventure sports. For example, paintball. I love going to play paintball. When I was in New Zealand, I play airsoft, paintball, and many kinds of adventure games. Very brutal, very active. Makes your mind focus, makes your body healthy. Well, of course, everything is up to God, of course, but we have to make the effort. So that's my conclusion. Thank you for listening to me. Hope to see you in my next presentation. Enjoy the holidays. Thank you so much, guys. Assalamualaikum.